Welcome to the 10-question English spelling quiz. For each question, select the correct spelling of the spoken word. Tomorrow. 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 Patience. 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 Horizon. 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 Minute. 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 Possession. 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 Beautiful. 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 Environment. 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 Temporarily. 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 Together. 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 Secretary. 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 Thank you for watching.